Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. We have Curtis Stevens versus Wale Omotoso. Omotoso and Stevens were going at it at 154, trying to establish who was the better fighter. Now, from the first round to the third round, they're basically slugging it out. And in the third round, Stevens got caught once again, and he went down from a combination. That right hand landed, and he was seeing stars. Now, the referee stopped the fight. I have no problems with the referee stopping the fight because based on the glassy-eyed look in Stevens' face, Curtis Stevens was not in a good position. His eyes were glassy. He was just looking at the ref like, hey man, I want to fight. But his eyes were saying, please stop this fight. He did not want to stop the fight, but his body language, his eyes were saying, stop it. He took punishment. The referee let him get knocked down earlier. He told him about it, but this knockdown, he was worse for wear. And based on the things that have been happening over the past weeks, I'm glad they stopped the fight. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.